Good morning, everyone. This is Chantal Yuri, your mentor and guider in MMM Global. Today, I will going to make a video tutorial on how to provide help in MMM using the new system interface because the old one has been phased out. So in this video tutorial, I will show you guys how to do it with, as I said, or as I mentioned, with our new system interface. And before we start, kindly bookmarks this official website of our system. So it's https://mm-office.cc. So this is the main dashboard of our own account when we log in. So the demo account that I am using now is one of my downlines because she asked me to provide help in behalf of her. So guys, before we start, always remember and read all the warnings being indicated in this main dashboard of our own account. So now let's begin. For us to provide help, just click this green button saying I want to provide help. Wait until the system will load the full interface. As I said, this is the options or the details that you can find here. There is bank if you wanted to PH using your bank, but probably the most convenient side of providing help in MMM is Bitcoin. And it is easy for us to pay direct from our PO and also from our Bitcoin wallet address. So now let's begin. Click this. Instead of bank, we are going to choose BTC. So these are the options. Number 2, there will be the options, type of Mabro that we wanted to use or provide help, or we choose to provide help with the specific percentage. So there will be 20% to 100% if you wanted to do MMM extra. So there will be a corresponding task on this, and 50% for the first PH if you're a new member in our system. So another one is the regular Mabro, which is 30%. Since this account is new account, I will going to use 50% Mabro growth. After taking this one, you have to specify which currency you will going to use. So probably the account use Bitcoin because we pledged to provide help Bitcoin. And the settings of this account is also in Bitcoin status. So automatically take this one, BTC, and then input the amount you wanted to PH. So it says that the minimum PH of BTC is 0.02 Bitcoin. And now I will going to input the specific amount I wanted to PH. So that's around 125,599 MMK. This is the currency of our system. But as I said, we choose to pledge PH using Bitcoin. So after inputting the amount, click this button. If you read and understand all the warnings that being indicated here, or I will going to read it now. So it goes like this. I read the warnings and I fully understand all the risks, meaning you understand the risks of the system. I make decision to participate in MMM, being of sound mind and memory. So after reading this warning, you have to click this one and then click OK. So automatically, your page order will be created. So something like that, as simple as this one. So we have to wait for the assignment and pay the specific amount that we pledge PH in our system. So after this one, if you see that it already reflected in your main dashboard, all you have to do is to click the Mabro column. So you get if it was already been there, reflected in your Mabro. So let's wait. Okay, there it is. Type is unconfirmed status because we haven't yet received any assignment. And the date of creating your PH is also reflected here. And the release date of your PH will be here also. So the initial payment of our first PH received $20. as registration bonus. And another one is 3% additional bonus in BTC because we pledged to provide help using Bitcoin. And the 50% itself that we provide help in the amount of 0.09 Bitcoin. So that's all, guys. If you see this one, all the details here, all you have to do is come back to your main dashboard and wait for the assignment, then pay it. So I hope this video tutorial that I created will going to help you out, something like this, because it's already been assigned. So you have to pay this one within 48 hours. So the next page or the next chapter of my video tutorial will be how to pay your provide help in MMM Global. So once again, this is Chantal Yuri, your mentor and guider in MMM Global. Together we change the world.